Hi everyone, I'm Kath King. I've been an early childhood teacher, Montessori guide and teacher educator for more than 25 years, and one of the questions I'm asked most often is, how does Montessori actually support early reading? And today I want to give you a simple, clear explanation, something that will help you whether you're a parent, a teacher or a homeschooler supporting a young reader. Montessori starts with the child, not the curriculum. In Montessori, reading isn't rushed. We don't push children into decoding before they are developmentally ready. Instead, we observe for signs of readiness. Interest in letters, strong sound awareness, curiosity about words, and the desire to communicate. And when children show us that they're ready, we meet them right there. And that's one of the biggest strengths of Montessori. It's responsive, not prescriptive. Sound awareness comes before letter names. A key Montessori principle is that children learn sounds first. Before we ever ask a child to read a word, we help them to tune into the sounds within words, isolating, segmenting, blending. And this builds the foundation for decoding. When children understand that words are made up of sounds, reading becomes far less mysterious. It becomes logical, accessible, and even exciting. Hands-on materials make abstract concepts concrete. Montessori materials like the sandpaper letters, the movable alphabet, and sound games give children a tactile, multi-sensory way to explore language. They're not just memorizing letters, they're feeling them, hearing them, building them, and eventually reading them. This hands-on approach is incredibly powerful for early literacy because it engages the whole child. Reading follows a clear, intentional progression. One of the things I love most about Montessori literacy is the sequence. We start with simple phonetic CVC words, cat, map, sit, because they're predictable and they build confidence. Then we move to blends, digraphs, and more complex patterns as children are ready. And this progression is exactly what inspired my Pink, Blue and Green series of early readers. Each level aligns with a stage of phonetic development so that children can experience success at every step. Children read when they feel confident, not pressured. Montessori environments are designed to protect a child's sense of competence. We offer just the right amount of challenge, but never overwhelm. When children feel capable, they're far more willing to take risks, try new words, and enjoy the process of learning to read. And that joy is something we want to preserve. Reading is connected to real meaning and real purpose. In Montessori, reading isn't a worksheet activity, it's part of life. Children read labels, messages, stories, recipes, signs, anything that feels purposeful and connected to their world. This is why decodable books are so important. They give children meaningful, accessible text they can read independently, which builds both skill and confidence. You can support early reading at home or in the classroom. If you're supporting a young reader, here are a few simple Montessori-aligned practices that you can start using right away. Focus on sounds before letter names. Keep reading experiences joyful and pressure-free. Offer phonetic words first, then gradually increase complexity. Use hands-on materials whenever possible. Celebrate effort, not perfection. Small, consistent steps make all the difference. If you're looking for phonics-aligned early readers that follow this Montessori progression, you can explore my pink, blue and green reading series. They're designed to support children as they move from simple CVC words into blends and beyond. And if you'd like more videos on early literacy, Montessori teaching or supporting young readers, feel free to subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.